Let me discuss the next topic, hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base. So here strong acid example is a hydrochloric acid HCl and weak base example is ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. And now we are going to see the neutralization reaction between the strong acid and weak base. So NH4OH reacts with HCl, H2O is removed, we can get NH4Cl as a salt. So from this H2O is removed and the remaining is NH4Cl is produced as a salt. In this salt, NH4 plus is a positive ion and Cl minus is a negative ion. And here NH4Cl in this salt, NH4Cl, the positive ion is considered as conjugate acid of this base. As we discussed, in the base, if we remove OH minus ion, the remaining positive part of the base is said to be a conjugate acid. And likewise, in acid, if we remove H plus ion, the remaining negative part is said to be conjugate base of acid. Right? So accordingly, NH4 plus is a conjugate acid and Cl minus is a conjugate base. Next, we are going to the next step. For the base NH4OH, the conjugate acid is NH4 plus. If the base is weak, then the conjugate acid will be strong. Have you understood? So we have taken a weak base. So the conjugate acid must be strong. If it is strong, it reacts with water. Which is going to react with water? NH4 plus is going to react with water. And in the next point, we have taken acid. Acid is HCl, hydrochloric acid, and the conjugate base of this acid is Cl minus. And all we know, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. If the acid is strong, then the conjugate base will be weak. If it is weak, it does not react with water. So we have a strong conjugate acid and a weak conjugate base. So weak conjugate base will not react with water, but a strong conjugate acid can able to react with water. Which means we are going to see the salt hydrolysis, as we told that a strong conjugate base NH4 plus reacts with water, it gives their base again, which means the positive ion takes the negative ion from water. So NH4 plus takes OH minus from water, so it leaves H plus. So the resultant solution contains H plus ion, which means the concentration of H plus ion will be greater than the concentration of OH minus ion, because all the OH minus ion has been taken by NH4 plus ammonium ion. So the resultant solution contains H plus. So if H plus ion concentration is more, then the resultant solution is acidic in nature. If it is acidic in nature, the pH must be less than 7. So now we are going to see the relationship between Kb and Kh. Because we are seeing base, so it is Kb and Kh, as we know that equilibrium constant for hydrolysis reaction, which means salt hydrolysis reaction. So this is said to be the salt hydrolysis. NH4 plus reacts with water, it gives NH4OH plus H plus. So for this, KH has been written as products by reactant, which means the concentration of the products by the concentration of the reactants. So here products are NH4OH and H plus. So the concentration of NH4OH, concentration of H plus divided by concentration of NH4 plus and concentration of H2O. So we can alter this KH equation. KH is equal to concentration of NH4OH and concentration of H plus divided by concentration of NH4 plus. So because of the higher concentration, we have taken the large excess amount of water. So compared to the initial, the amount of H2O taken by NH4 plus is very less. So the initial concentration of water will be approximately equal to the concentration of water at equilibrium. So the concentration of water has been taken as a constant. So the constant term no need to mention here. So let me remove the term concentration of H2O. So this KH equation has been taken as equation number 1. So next we are going to see dissociation of the base. Dissociation of this base. So when NH4OH dissociates, it gives their ions. So NH4 plus and OH minus. Let me write the dissociation constant for this reaction. So the same products by reactants. The concentration of the products by concentration of the reactant. So what are the products? NH4 plus and OH minus. So concentration of NH4 plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of NH4OH. Let me take, this is equation number 2. So when we multiply 1 and 2, what is 1? KH. What is 2? KB. So KH into KB, which is equal to NH4OH into H plus divided by NH4 plus into the concentration of NH4 plus into OH minus divided by NH4 plus. So NH4 plus will be cancelled and NH4OH and NH4OH will be cancelled, and what is remaining? H plus concentration and OH minus concentration. So we are getting KH into KB equal to H plus concentration and OH minus concentration. Let me take, this is KW, which means the ionic product of water. So we got the relationship KH into KB, which is equal to KW.